Hey guys, happy Friday. I am excited to tell you that it's officially our Black Friday sale. This is our early bird. Now, let me tell you, maybe with my sister company, Amy Howard at Home, it might not be as important with as a maker studio. It's a big deal because we only have so many stencil designs, we only have so many kits, we only have so many molds. And so it's really important, those of you that are my sisters, my crafting sisters, that as you are looking and planning what it is that you're going to be doing, how you're going to entertain projects that you want to do. You've seen a lot of the new stencils that we've got that we've introduced, all of our Christmas ones, all the different projects that you can do. Now is when you load up. Here's my suggestion. We only do this sale once a year. So when it rolls around, it's your time. Hey girl, how's it going? Need to put my glasses on to be able to see what you're saying. So, I want you to take advantage of this pre Black Friday sale because we're going to sell out. This is when we always sell out of our brand new Christmas stencils. So you want to be able to go to a maker studio and really peruse through these, look at them. We have a lot of examples of them all over the website when you go to the section on stencils. But it's really even an opportunity for when we've got such deep discounts like this on our Black Friday sale to be able to really stock up on all of the stencils that are going to be taking place all during the year because the savings are so fantastic. So if you order 150, this is one thing I'm excited about. If you order $150 of products at a maker studio, so you can load up on your chalk art, you can get your stencils, you can get some great kits for people to be able to give as gifts. But you know what else? Some of you may not be familiar with my book, A Maker's Guide. I will tell you, I'm just going to flip through some of the pages so you can kind of see. Wait, hold on. I got to do it the other way, don't I? All right, so I want you to just see if you have someone in your life that is a creative, if they're a maker, if they are someone that you know, they want to be able to take their passion of creating, doing things. Maybe they do photography, maybe they do ceramics, maybe they paint furniture, maybe whatever it is that they do. And they really want to hear from someone who has been there, that knows their brain, and that wants to teach them how to be able to take the giftings that they have and be able to build it into a business. My book, A Maker's Guide, that's why I wrote it. My heart is for creatives, and I love teaching you how to do things, but I also love the fact that I want to be able to take those creatives that want to be able to have a side hustle, be able to make some money, to be able to make a living, or just be able to put a kid through school or buy new braces or help with the mortgage payment. So I wrote this as a business book to creatives. Here's the exciting thing. If you purchase during our pre-Black Friday sale, um, $150 or more, I'm going to send you this book absolutely free. It's included. It's part of our gift. And I think it's exciting where you can get some stencils and gel art and kits and things for yourself to be able to make things and enjoy. You'll be getting this for free if you purchase $150 or more, and you can turn around and give it to someone in your life that you know would benefit from the encouragement of someone that has built creative businesses. So I'm proud of this. We have other giveaways for our $75. But the thing that I want you to take advantage of today is the fact that everything, if you buy $150, is 25% off, and you can get that free book. I would really suggest, I'm going to be showing you how to do a lot of projects in the upcoming days with red, green, gold, silver, white, and black inks. So take advantage, stock up on your inks while they're on sale, because we're going to make some really beautiful stationery and things and pillows with our gold. The other thing is, maybe you've caught my live, but last week, we introduced 10 amazing new Christmas stencils. They're really beautiful. I'm very proud of all of the designs that we did. It's going to allow you to make a ton of different projects that are great looking, whether they're platters or charcuterie boards or doing some custom tags or some gift wrapping. So we really just want you to take advantage of our pre-Black Friday sale, because here's the sad thing. You're going to see something, you're going to love it. You're going to go, oh my gosh, I saw that project with that stencil. And then you're going to be going, why is it sold out? They sell out. And when these fabulous Christmas stencils are gone, they're gone. I can't get any more. We'll have to wait until next Christmas. So that's why I wanted to pop on here and stress the fact that you need to go on today, at the latest tomorrow. I know this sale goes 4 days, but the stencils will sell out. I want you to get your favorites. And there's a lot of them. We just introduced 10 new ones last Friday that I'm very, very proud. And I made this little tag with one of those. So take advantage and order $150 or more. And then that way you've gotten a great discount. Maybe pop in some gifts that you can get kits for other people. And then that way you'll be able to get my book, A Maker's Guide, as my gift to you, trying to just kick off the holidays. The other thing is I want to put in a little tip. I don't want to have a spoiler alert to be able to show you what it is that we're going to be introducing on Monday. I'm going to show you this as a teaser. How's that? So you can figure it out and say, Amy, what is that? This is one of the kits that we're going to be introducing on Monday in my live that I will see you back here at 12 o'clock Central Standard Time on Monday. Until then, take advantage of our Black Friday sale, because we've got a lot of great stuff, but it's not going to last. I love you guys. I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful weekend.